Considered the world's fastest football striker, Erling Haaland has earned the title of a multi-millionaire and has scored a perfect $12 million this year. Once a Norwegian boy is now a worldwide famous figure. With dedication and remarkable football skills, Erling has come a long way in a very short span of time. He was able to become a multi-millionaire and set the world on fire. Stick with us if you want to explore Erling's luxuries and his mantra to generate millions. Erling is a Norwegian athlete whose source of wealth solely depends on football. Playing for the Norwegian team, Erling Haaland has been entitled with the world's best and fastest striker. His holy speed is something to be praised. Erling's rising fame is something that has attracted us and led us to discover his millionaire status. Surprisingly, what we didn't know was that Erling is a 22-year-old who has gotten this far in such a short time. At the age of 19, Erling became a millionaire and came under the spotlight through his inevitable abilities and Godspeed. Let's just not tease his name further and dive straight into the striker's luxuries. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the millionaire life status of a famous soccer player, Erling Haaland. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Currently playing for the Bundesliga club Borussia Dortmund, a German football team, Erling's net worth is set to increase 10 times because the Manchester team is trying to hire him with an initial fee of $51 million. Whoa! That is literally 10 people's fortunes in one go. Erling is such an icon for sticking to his personal sponsor, Nike, throughout the game while the rest of his team wears Puma cleats. And besides, Erling is a little more popular than the rest of his teammates. Getting more attention and privileges is always conflicting. Haaland is soon to become the 9th most expensive guy to sign for because of his high demand in football. A close source revealed that with the likes of Real Madrid, Barcelona, and Manchester City all sniffing around one of the hottest prospects in world football, there has been talk of Haaland taking his annual salary of 30 million euros, $41 million, in any move, around 577,000 euros a week, and alongside the likes of Lionel Messi and Neymar on the list of football's biggest earners. Damn! His earnings are set to skyrocket at this point. Speaking of Erling's current contract and pay, he signed up to Dortmund's contracts for a big $160,000 check, which proves that he has generated $9 million annually. For someone so young, Erling surely has made a good fortune out of his career. With growing fame and millions of followers on Instagram, you will not believe how big of a role Erling plays in the business world. Attracting the business tycoons with his popularity, Erling has managed to get his hands on the brand ambassador's post of the Samsung Norge. And at this point, it's hard to imagine a boy his age investing in a California-based sports tech company named Hyper Ice. Not only did our boy invest in the company, but he also grabbed the ambassador seat. With rising fame, Erling has also managed to boast a huge following on his social platforms. And since his social activities are what's next on your plate, you don't have to look him up afterwards. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. As we were just talking about Erling's social activities and how he manages to generate income from there, Erling has 17 million following on Instagram, which helps him work out his brand promotions. While strictly using Instagram as a professional platform, Erling chooses to show his personal side on Twitter to his 2 million followers. Apart from Erling's career, he is said to have set his eyes on Paul Pogba's huge property, which comes with a $3 million price tag. The athlete is said to be residing in the beautiful mansion once he gets his hands on Manchester's deal. The property is situated in Hale Barnes, Cheshire, a perfect place to spend time relaxing. Also, Erling's garage is worth taking a peek. Respecting his speed, Erling has managed to fill his garage with the world's most speedy cars. Currently, the young player owns 3 of the fastest cars in the world. His $100,000 Audi RS6 Avant is his go-to ride. Along with that, Erling owns another $100,000 Range Rover and a Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe, which are as expensive and unique as his demand in football. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about Erling's luxurious lifestyle? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.